Welcome to the Knowledge Point Activities. Today we are going to learn about the new concept that is GitHub Copilot. We are going to add the extension that extension name is GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Actually, the coders, which means the developers, are using the platform that is the coding platform which called as Visual Studio Code. We are creating many language codes such as Python or JavaScript, React, or several codes has been practiced under the Visual Studio Code text editor. So the developer needs to fix some issues. So they need to copy and paste their errors under the any of the Google browser or any of the web browser. So you don't need those type of activity. Actually, the GitHub Copilot will bring you a solution automatically. Let me see about what is GitHub Copilot. Actually, it is AI-based programming, which means artificial intelligence stimulated. When the developer or the user start the code will be autocomplete by styling suggestion and gives the suggestion and give a solution to the problem. So user can receive those suggestions from the GitHub Copilot and able to start and complete the code within a minute. So don't worry about the errors coming upon the new code generations. You can write a natural language command describing what you want code to do. You can put the command under your code, then under this command you will get the solution. So this tool is integrated directly into the code editor. You can add this tool by analyzing the context, the code you are writing, and suggest the relevant code via the snippets based on the context. Actually, this tool, which means the GitHub Copilot, was trained in large corpus of open source. You can access openly to and access various programming languages such as it support Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, and others. And you can use this tool under the frameworks and make it powerful tool for developers who want to increase the productivity and efficiency when writing their code. You can add this extension under the Visual Studio Code plugin. So let me go to the demonstration. We are going to open the Visual Studio Code and we are going to add the Google Colab plugin. So I have already opened the Visual Studio Code. So I need to select the extension, which means this one. So click on the extension icon. Here, this is the place we need to search the extension. The extension name is Google Colab. So I am going to search Google Colab. And here you will get so much of results under the menu release. You can choose the best one from the search results. Google Colab. So Google Copilot. I just blundered and I said wrongly, that is Google Copilot. and GitHub Copilot. So you need to add this GitHub Copilot Experience AI programmer. This is a suitable one, I think, because it is the AI pair programmer. You can add this also. As per your wish, you can try any of these. I'm going to install this one. Please be wait because still it is installing. After the installation completion, you will get the button that is the disable and uninstall. If you want to disable this feature, you can click on disable. If you wanted to uninstall this extension, you need to click on that and you need to select the uninstall option here. If you want to install another version of this GitHub Copilot, you can choose to install another version. And under this, you can pick the version and you can install it later. So I have installed this GitHub Copilot. Here, the icon for the GitHub Copilot is generated here. So still it is loading. And another thing that is, after you have installed the GitHub Copilot, you need the GitHub account to connect your GitHub with the GitHub Copilot. That is the major thing. That is the necessary thing. You don't forget. You have the GitHub account. If you don't have the GitHub account, please go to the link. I'm going to show how to create the GitHub account. Just search GitHub. Then you will get join GitHub. And here you can provide your name, email, password, and you can easily sign up your GitHub account. Then only you can connect this GitHub Copilot with your GitHub account. So the mandatory thing is you need to have the GitHub account and the Visual Studio Code. Those are the two things you need to remember when you are working with a GitHub Copilot. So it's now installing. It will take few minutes. If you want to deactivate this, you can select the deactivate option. And if you want to try the Copilot, you can choose and select I'm going to choose my account because I don't remember my username password. So I need so I just copy and paste it in my browser. You can omit this step. And here this is the trial version. You need to pay and use this under your browser. But under your Visual Studio Code, you can freely use this feature, that is the GitHub Copilot. If you want to install any other voice assistant, you can install here. If you want to install the Copilot theme, you can install this. So several things under the Copilot releases are available about these extensions. After the installation of the integration of the Copilot, you can easily autocomplete your code with the help of Copilot. Let me meet in another video how to generate autocomplete code with the help of GitHub Copilot. So the my next video will focus on how to use the GitHub Copilot and autocomplete the code. So let me meet in another video. Thank you and please be subscribed. Thank you. Bye again.